In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on the Payee Monzo app. If you're aiming to tidy up or manage the information presented in your Monzo app, knowing how to delete transaction history can be quite useful. Let's dive right in and guide you through this quick and easy process. First things first, grab your mobile device and open up the Monzo mobile app. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll want to head over to your device's app store, search for Monzo, download, and install it, and then open the app. Once you've got the app ready to go, ensure you're connected to a secure internet connection for seamless navigation. After you've launched the app, it's time to log into your Monzo account. Enter your login details like your email and password. If this is your first time logging in on this particular device, you might need to verify your identity, likely through a code sent to your email or phone number. This step is crucial for ensuring your account safety and verifying your identity when accessing your monetary data. Now that you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen and locate the Payment tab. A simple tap on this section will guide you to all your transaction activities. Within this space, you will see a list of your previous transactions from recent to older entries, giving you a comprehensive view of your account's activity. With the Payment tab open, skim through and take a moment to identify the specific history entry you wish to delete. Whether it is a transaction from a few days ago or an older one, simply select the transaction that you would like to remove from your record. This is essential, as you can only delete one transaction at a time. Now, once you have the desired transaction selected, you need to find the three dots or the edit icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the transaction details screen. Tapping here is your route to more options where you will be able to manage the specific details of the transaction. Upon accessing the additional options, you'll want to look for the delete option. This is the final step, and once you've clicked on this, the transaction will be removed from your history. Be sure you're certain about your deletion choice, as this typically cannot be undone. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a transaction from your history within the Payee Monzo app. This action helps maintain a tidy and organized transaction record. Remember, keeping your financial data clean and orderly can provide peace of mind and a more straightforward financial management process overall. I hope this guide has been educational and easy to follow. Be sure to practice these steps whenever necessary. And remember, managing your digital financial footprint helps safeguard your personal finance world. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay savvy.